Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this gorgeous oar. I'm definitely in love with this and I'll be making more. It's not going to be a single, but I just had to get this out to you. I made this using all Dollar Tree items, and you know, during summertime I love beach decor. So this is a great addition to my previous projects that I've done. And yeah, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start, I just want to share with you, I do have another YouTube channel called Tina's Daily Deals, which I share with you how to drop prices on Amazon. So this metallic marker set, this is listed for $7.97, but clip that coupon and we're going to put in a code. So I give you like codes to put in and you drop the price all the way down to $3.58. Now the next one here is this resin keychain mold kit, and this one is listed for $17.99, but with our code we're going to go ahead and drop it down to only $8.99. So that's what it is. You just simply clip coupons or put in codes, or you find great deals like this. Rhinestones, 1,440 pieces. Now you get different sizes. Each size has a code, but we're going to drop any of those $2.99 prices down to only $2.09. Now I'm going to put all of the items that I mentioned in this video down in the description box with the code and links, so it's an easy click. But definitely check out my other YouTube channel. Just like these canvas panels, you get 24 of them. They're listed for $29.99, but with a code you're going to get it for only $14.99. And it's not just crafting items. I have tons of household items on there. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. Here we have this shelf liner. It's a 17.5 by 6 feet. And this one is listed for $11.99. With the code, we're dropping it down to only $5.99. So definitely check it out. This is my latest video here. Like I always say, if you like what you see, be sure to join the family. That's enough rhyming for today. Let's get on with the project. Here I picked up this baseball from Dollar Tree. I did pick up the longer one because I feel like it's going to be easier to work with. Now I did trim the end with a hot tool or a hot knife. I personally just used a knife that I just used for crafting. And now we're going in with a hair dryer or blow dryer, and we're going to kind of make it softer and easy to bend, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to take something hard like a book and just firmly press it down. I didn't want to use my hand because as soon as you take your blow dryer off of it, it is still kind of hot, but you can definitely use your hand with gloves or something, or just something heavy, just like a big book, and press it down firmly. And then you'll notice it's flattening down, and that's what we need. Because obviously oars don't have that round shape, they have a more flat shape. Now, before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on projects like this one. Now, see how flattened it's gotten? I'm going to go in with E6000 now, and I'm closing the tip the opening we created earlier. And it's a mixture of E6000 and hot glue, by the way. So I'm going to put those together and close it with clamps. And you want to set that aside to completely dry because E6000 does take a while to seal. And I already went ahead and spray painted mine blue and white. And now I'm going in with those Dollar Tree stickers, and I'm going to write the word beach on it because I am going to make another one that says house. So it's going to be beach house. Now it's time to decorate. So I'm going in with twine and basically anything you have on hand, even seashells. But I'm going to wrap the bottom as well. And now it's time to clean up a little bit of the twine. You know, every time I use twine, I just like to clean it up a little bit with scissors, just to give it a nicer look. Now I'm going in with Mod Podge just to keep my stickers in place. I know I'm running out of Mod Podge. It's gonna make it. It'll get there. But yes, so just going in with a paintbrush, I'm just going to cover the entire thing with Mod Podge just to seal the deal and keep everything in place. And yes, I totally forgot to mention that I used the glossy Mod Podge. And once that's dry, here is the final product. I definitely love, love, love the way this turned out. I might add a pearl or two on there, but you bet I'm going to make another one that says house, so it's going to say beach house. And yeah, what do you guys think? I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. I honestly think this is a must-try project, especially that it cost only a few dollars to make. So definitely try this out this summer. And yes, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.